Nisha, I have a question for you here.
True.
So since you're into this field, हर एक की लाइफ में टर्मोइल आता है, volcanoes आते हैं, earthquakes आते हैं, tsunami आता है. In that case, आप क्या suggest करोगे लोगों को emotionally how to balance?
Right. As you mentioned about turmoils and everything, I'll give you one very cut short example that I believe. I will tell two examples. एक आप inner circle के बारे में हमने discuss किया. I will mention that. People come to your life only for two reasons that I've like observed so many patterns that have come to a conclusion that one, to teach you a lesson, second, to learn a lesson. These two aspects are the only reason you meet people, and these people are just passerbyers. Lekin there's a third category also. Those people come to your life to consciously stay no matter what. You are at your worst, you're at your bad, you're at good, you're at heights, doesn't matter. They consciously choose वो choice. That is the keyword. They choose कि आप जो भी हो, you're wealthy, you're poor, anything. Those are your real people. Those are your inner circle people.
I love this.
Right.
The way you explain it so beautifully.
Yeah.
I really love this. And it is so true.
So true.
If I look back, I think I can now relate, you know, that there were so many people in my life. They came.
And they went.
Yeah. But yes.
I
did learn a lot
of lessons.
And I'm really grateful and thankful to all those people in my life who came, who taught me a lesson.
That's what. Like when people come and say, no, he destroyed my life or something. I said, no, you need to just mirror yourself and see. He tried to teach you a lesson. For that reason only he came. Because your parents, your closed ones, your loved ones will never leave you. So we are never ever alone. If you consciously, as our book says, that we need to be conscious.
Absolutely.
If you see, you are never alone. You are always being helped or being paired up indirectly or directly by someone or the other. That is how universe is a paradox. It is so much uniquely crafted. God has made it so easy that अभी अगर आपको जो होना होगा ना वो होके रहेगा. You don't have to alter anything.
I think very beautifully explained.
Yeah, that is how it is. That is one aspect that I wanted to say. And the other aspect is, I'll give you another very easy example where kids and parents can understand कि कैसे emotional turmoil को आपको deal करना है, right? जैसे influence नहीं होना. Let's take potato, let's take egg, let's take coffee bean. Okay? 3 things we'll put in different tumblers and we'll put water. जो water and उसे pan में रख देंगे. Heat करने के लिए stove पे रख देंगे. When you heat that, the water that is being in 3 containers, that is your struggles and challenges of your life. Water तीनों जगह पे है. If you see the potato, what will happen is it will swell up. It will swell up and it will absorb all the water that was there. तो वो क्या होता है, इमोशनल हो जाता है, इंटिमिडेटेड हो जाता है, कंज्यूम्ड हो जाता है और डिप्रेस्ड हो जाता है. वो रिएक्ट करने लगता है, ब्लेम करने लगता है. दैट इज वन स्टेज. सेकेंड स्टेज, इफ यू टेक, egg is a fragile thing, but when you put it in a hot water, it becomes strong inside. That is cold हो जाता है. That is not like, you know, उसका भी form change हो गया लेकिन वो cold हो गया. वो that represents people, those who don't feel emotions now. They see emotions as neglect, कि emotions sabotage, kind of fight उनका होता है, turmoil. They are also insecure within themselves. Third thing, if you see the coffee bean, how deliberately it not only changes itself, but it changes the form of water also. वो खुद भी चेंज होता है, जो पानी का लैब है, पानी का जो मतलब ये है एनवायरनमेंट है, उसको भी ट्रांसफॉर्म कर लेता है. सो यू हैव टू, योर लाइफ इज ऑल अबाउट फ्रॉम अ जर्नी वेयर यू टेक योर सेल्फ फ्रॉम बीइंग अ पोटैटो टू अ कॉफी बीन.
वाओ.
Where you understand कि आपको खुद भी चेंज करना पड़ेगा and your change will also change the environment, not the other way around. Because your happiness is no way connected with outer self. You have to be secure within your own self. Then only people will get that vibration from you and that will influence. You cannot expect the other way around कि our surroundings would be perfect. जो लोग होते हैं ना, they say कि no, we'll go to this perfect hotel and we'll get this service. I said no. Are you even happy within yourself? Then you can create a hotel in a thela also. You can. that relationship, people think na ki we will give our kid a lot of luxury, then they will be happy, as you mentioned. No, they need just your presence. As you said, you gave your kids that quality time. That is the only thing a kid wants.
Kids, they don't understand job. They don't
Right.
understand stress. They don't understand deadlines.
Yeah.
And when, the parent is in such a situation, the child suffers because what the child wants now
happens.
is the emotional connection.
Emotional
पर हमारे स्ट्रेस से, हमारी डेडलाइन से और हमारी जॉब से ये सब चीज़ें डिस्टर्ब हो रही हैं. तो यहाँ पर क्या करना है? द पेरेंट हैज़ टू बी लिटिल
Mindful.
Keep a
Right.
balance. Yes,
Balance.
I'm not against people working.
No,
We should definitely
we should.
focus on our career. But yes, don't carry that baggage of
Yeah.
stress
Yeah.
घर पे with your
Right.
child. When you are there with your child, be with
Be
them.
mindful.
Be 100% with them.
100%. Yeah.
Keep your gadgets away. Keep your stress away.
Right.
Keep all your worries away.
So
and
nice.
just enjoy with your
True.
child. So a lot of parents, I really encourage parents to have this bedtime routine, which is, I feel, very important.
Right.
Just, tuck them to bed, read a story. But a lot of parents say, हमारे पास time ही नहीं होता है. But I tell them, बहुत सारा टाइम नहीं चाहिए. एक स्टोरी सुनाने के लिए only 5 minutes. मैगी भी बन जाती है इतनी देर
मैगी भी
में.
बन जाती
So
है.
in those 5 minutes, just cuddle your child.
Yeah.
Share how your day was.
Right.
Read a story.
Yeah.
And I'm telling you, ये जो प्यारी प्यारी बातें होती है ना, आज लगता है कि आई डोंट नो टाइम वेस्ट है या टाइम पास हो गया. बट नो, ये एक ब्यूटिफुल मेमोरी की बुक बनती है बच्चे के माइंड में. ऐसे हम उसको नर्चर कर रहे हैं. एंड दैट इज हाउ वी स्टार्टेड आवर कॉन्वर्सेशन टुडे विद पेरेंटिंग इज नर्चरिंग अ सोल. उसको नर्चर करने के लिए ना सॉइल को पहले रीप करना पड़ेगा. सॉइल को परफेक्ट बनाना पड़ेगा.
Right.
और वो प्यार से बनता है.
True.
When you give that unconditional love and then undivided attention to your child. And बच्चे जो crave कर रहे हैं ना आज के टाइम में, वो undivided attention चाहते हैं आपकी. आपने देखा होगा बहुत सारे बच्चे बहुत शोर मचाते हैं, aggressive हो जाते हैं, क्योंकि उनको लगता है that is the only way out to get our parents' attention. If they're not listening to them, they will shout and scream. And then it becomes a habit because बच्चों को समझ आ गया है, अगर मैं ऐसा करूँगा तो ही मेरे पेरेंट्स सुनेंगे. So figure out आपके बच्चे को क्या चाहिए. What are the needs? कहीं कुछ मिसिंग तो नहीं है, कहीं कुछ लैकिंग तो नहीं है. Please fulfill that.
As you mentioned about that undivided and unconditional attention and quality time, I would say like being into this profession and doing this for more than like 5+ years, all the thing that I've realized till now, I've guided many adolescents who crave for that attention, as you mentioned, and they come to me and they say that we specifically, knowingly do this to get that attention. And they would create...
I'm telling you.
Yeah, they do. And you to said ki like very simple examples, a very basic thing. But they do many grievous things also, I'll tell you, ma'am. Like if you dig deep into the emotional thing, I have seen kids, those who have come to me.
This is the root cause. और अभी तो ये छोटे बच्चे हैं.
Right.
And the way, when they grow up,
Right.
ये तो और deep और dark
level
होता
पे
जाएगा
dark होते
उनके
जाता है.
mind में, उनके हाथ में.
Right.
And they've realized कुछ गलत करोगे तो attention
मिलेगा.
So that is why they go on the wrong path.
They're conditioned that way, ma'am. There are kids, those who have adolescence age 13, 14, have come to me and they said, we started like abusing ourselves, physically abusing via drugs and all these things. I have dealt with these cases where I asked, but how did you get conditioned? They said, we just wanted our parents to look at us. They said 10 years.
Imagine, I think it's an alarming stage for all the parents to understand. चाहिए बच्चों को attention
चाहिए.
Please know your child better.
Right.
क्या उनकी needs हैं, कितना time आप दे रहे हैं. Let's focus on that.
Let's focus on
Rest
that.
Everything can wait.
Yeah.
Rest everything can wait.
Right.
Let's give them importance.
They need to prioritize, as you mentioned, कि our career is also important and our profession, our kids are also important. What I feel, very small message in cut short way, if we discuss, you have to become a sun in your professional life, but you have to become a moon in your personal life. What moon?
A beautiful concept.
What a
sun
moon
in your
professional life,
okay,
and moon in your personal life. If I try
Wow.
to describe it, sun means you're radiant, you will guide people, you will lead people, you will influence and inspire people, lekin in a positive way. But once you come to your home, you need to cut short that mask out, and you need to wear the mask of a moon, where you're constantly transforming as a person, where you don't set conditions or full stops ki ye hi hai. When you put
Absolutely.
that, you understand that you grow, and when you stop that growth, you don't change, you're not growing in a personal life. That is how it is. People always try to carry that same sun wala mask in the personal life, and they try to advise their kids, which doesn't work. You have to, and reverse भी नहीं काम करता है.
True
जब
that.
काम पे आप इमोशनल होके लाइक यू कीप ऑन सबमिटिंग कि नहीं ओके आपको सिंपैथी दिखाना, व्हेन दे स्टार्ट बीइंग सिंपैथेटिक टुवर्ड्स देयर क्लाइंट्स और टुवर्ड्स पीपल, they get used, they get advantage लिया जाता है उनका.
बिल्कुल लिया जाता है. I totally agree with you here.